Is it two persons or two people? And when do we say peoples? I'm Teacher Mike. I help adults like you learn real English that they can use in their daily lives. Today, I'm going to make sure that you understand how to use the words person, people, persons, and peoples. So, this is a person. This is also a person. But when there is more than one person, we usually use the word people. For example, there are 4 people in my family. Or, there were a lot of people at the party. However, the word people can also mean a group of people who have the same nationality or the same culture. One good example of this is the national motto of Jamaica. Out of many, one people. Out of many means that their ancestors came from many different parts of the world and had many different cultures. One people means that together, now they are all Jamaican. In history books, you might hear about early peoples. This means different groups of people who lived a very long time ago. Or you might hear about indigenous peoples, which basically means the original groups of people who lived in an area before other groups of people arrived. For example, the Karen people of Southeast Asia, or the Sami people of Scandinavia. Those are two peoples. Okay, so then when do we use the word persons? Honestly, most people don't use this word. This is because persons means the same thing as people. It's the plural form of the word person, but it's very formal. Although it was commonly used in the past, nowadays it is usually only used in legal writing. So you might see it in a contract or something like that, but unless you are reading a legal document, you're probably never going to say it. So again, this is a person. These are people. People can also mean a group of people who have the same identity, and the plural form is peoples. And finally, persons is a plural form of the word people, but it is very formal and usually only used in legal writing. So yeah, that's how we use those words. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.